Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. In this video, we're going to talk about the product that revolutionized RVing forever. Stick around. Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. I am Jerry, and in this video, we are going to talk about the product that has revolutionized RVing forever. And I know, show of hands, that every single one of you use this product, but I'm going to show you some creative ways that we have decided to use it. What is that product that I'm talking about? Yep, you guessed it. We are talking about command strips and the hooks and all that stuff. So I thought what I'd do is kind of show you the different ones. Now, we got turned on to these lately, and they are the plastic hook loop ones. And they're rated for about, well, you could get them 10 and 5 pounds and 10 pounds. We use these quite a bit. And then you have your little ones, the wall mount product by 3M. You all know that. How are you using your command strips? And I would really like to know, drop in the comment section below how you're using command strips, because you're about to see how we use command strips. And stick around all the way to the end, because I discovered possibly the absolute best way ever to use a command strip, but I'm going to show it to you at the end. And don't fast forward. That's just cheeky. All right, let's get going. So there are lots of 3M command strip products out there. One of our favorite is this keychain, or the key holder here on the wall. That is a command strip made by 3M holder. It just sticks there. That's actually been there for 4 years now. Never slipped, never fallen. And when we're camping, this thing is loaded with stuff. We hang hats on it and our keys and you name it. All the pictures that are in our trailer are hung with command strips. And the bigger ones here are hung with the heavy duty hook fastened command strips. By the door, we've got the fancier command strips. This is where the dog leashes and stuff go. This is our outdoor trash can. And then our coats and sweaters and things that we use more often go on these command strips. In the bedroom, we've put the hooks, the his and hers hooks. Those are mine, and Teresa's are right over there. In the bathroom, our toilet paper holder is a 3M command hook product. We really like that. That's been on pretty much ever since we've had the trailer. It's never moved, it's never come off. And we use them for extra towels, hang our clothes up there while we're waiting to get out of the shower. And then, of course, we have a 3M command hook broom holder. We use it for, you know, hanging all of our pictures and whatnot. That's being held on with command hooks. And what we do is we just take a strip and apply it to the corners, front and back on the wall, and it holds perfect. None of our pictures have ever fallen off the wall. Moving outside, we put command hooks here to hold our outdoor trash can, but we've also will hang our sandals on here or whatever to let them air dry. It's a gloomy, rainy day here, but I'm going to show you our last and the most coolest way that we've figured out how to use the command strips, command hooks, and that is to keep our chains out of the mud. And today's a great example. Here's your command hook. I just took regular command hooks and I got the heavy duty ones. These are the 10-pounders. I glued them to the frame, painted them black, and it keeps my chains out of the mud. That is the best way that we've ever figured out how to use command hooks. Let's get back inside, it's raining. All right, that's how we use command strip command hooks. Be curious to know what you use them for. And, so go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let us know what you do with your command strips, command hooks, hanging up pictures like we do, keeping your chains out of the mud, hanging up towels and whatnot. But this little gem revolutionized the way we all RV. Hey, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Go ahead and share it with a friend. Drop that comment in there. We really appreciate it and value every single one of them. And we answer every single one of them too. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell. That'll notify you the next time we put out a super cool video from the Happy Place Diaries. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video.